Robin Road here, and I wanted to show you a quick, easy design.
One Robin Road here, and this week I wanted to show you a quick and easy design update that I've been kind of obsessed with this last couple weeks. It's simple and very on trend, but making skorts. Especially for my daughter who doesn't like wearing skirts and she doesn't like wearing shorts, but the summer is coming up and she can't keep wearing leggings all the time. So what I did, I'll show you a couple of the ones I did. This one was a t-shirt that I cut the hem off and I actually sewed it onto men's boxer shorts. So it's super cute now, very modest. And here, this one was another shirt that it never fit me right, but I love the detail on it, so you can see, I hope there, the way the shirt was. And I used the sleeves for the pockets, and the hem here, it has this great hem detail. And with it, I took a pair of shorts that I got at the bins that have this nice little lace so that when it peeks through, I mostly tried to make the fabric colors match to look good together so that it doesn't look like, well, like you've mishmashed two things together. But these shorts were very low cut, very high butt cheek kind of things. And so I took out the elastic and folded out the waistband so that it would be a little more high-waisted. And I also cut off the hem of the tunic, and then I made a waistband, which I then sewed on. So it's, and I tried to make it as wide as the shorts because those are woven and the outer is a knit. So that's kind of as much as it would stretch to go on. But it ends up being really super cute. I might add a few more details, but my daughter doesn't like really girly things, so she usually likes them to be plainer and to not look like her mother made them. Let's see, and this pair I love. This was a sweater that had a really low front neck, and so my daughter loved the sweater but would never wear it because she'd fall out the front. And then this is kind of a real dull, boring pair of shorts that she also wouldn't wear because they were bright pink. So I actually cut the arms off of the sweater and hemmed the top. So this was the top and this is the hem, which I then just top stitched on. And I used a knitting a knit stitch on my straight stitch machine, just to make sure that the stretch would be there. And then I ended up having to put some more elastic in it because the size small was a little bit too big. So she needed to pull it in, and this elastic that was in there was really sewn on very well. So I ended up just putting elastic under it through the drawstring tunnel. And then she didn't like the bulky drawstring, so I actually made a faux drawstring because she said it was super cute to have it there, but she didn't want to have to pull it. And of course, the first time she wore it, I hadn't put the new elastic in, and she said when she was doing the jump rope, I think it was, it just kept falling down, and that was not fun. But then since I put the tighter elastic in and I actually top stitched the elastic in at this 1/4 inch to kind of tie it in with what was already there, so that it wouldn't bend and twist and do all that nasty stuff that unsecured elastic does. So she's already worn this twice, and I think she'll get a lot more wear out of it. And that's my, what do you call it, a frugal fix, my design fix for this week. I think it's really cute. As you can see, you can do all sorts of different things with it. It's a fun way to update or mishmash them. This project I actually went out, I was excited, and I found these at H&M, and they were $1. I actually found one, it's a size small, and I ran all around the store to try to find more, because usually if there's one, there's more, but an hour later, I found another, so I got 2, spent $2 at the H&M. And then there's this cute dress that I got at the bins, and it was a maxi dress, and it had like this floral stuff here, and this chain here, which is super cute, broken of course. But my daughter really liked it, and I kept trying to fix it for her. I took the floral off, but then the glue was still there, so I ironed some glitter onto it, and she didn't like that. So then I said, it's coming into the summer, I really like this dress. Can I make it into a skirt for you? And she was like, yeah, sure, I would love that, because she really liked this print. She likes the roses. Are those roses? I don't know. She likes the floral print. So I cut the hem. It was a maxi dress. And I sewed it onto the shorts. And it's this really cute thing. I haven't shown her this yet. I wanted to do a video first. But with this, you see the machine hemmed original hem here, the original shorts, and then I top stitched it down. I actually gathered it first, then top stitched, and then actually hand stitched it on because I wanted it to still stretch. So there was a bit of finagling to do to get that, but it's now fully finished, and I think it looks like a professionally bought skirt. It might, size small, I might still have to pull in the elastic a little bit for her. We'll see. I'll have her try it on. But it's super cute little mini that follows the dress codes. And I think she'll get a lot of use out of this from the summer. And I actually have enough to make another pair if I, another set with this the rest of the skirt, or I could actually make shorts out of the lining and just maybe even keep the waistband in there. I might try that way. Oh, the waistband doesn't go around to the back. But I could, that might be fun actually, to have the pink shorts under this one. They need to be a little bit shorter because this is pretty long here, but then you have to hem it. So that is my quick design fix for the week. I will see you next time.